Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Akhirsha bin Muhammad Iskandar, and together with my team. Okay, now we move on to the introduction for this presentation. So, the percentage of elderly people in global populations is increasing rapidly, affecting technology design, especially user interface accessibility. Inadequate UI design can lead to barriers for older adults, increasing social isolation and limiting their interactions with beneficial digital technologies. So basically, bad design equals um, older people can't use them properly. And for user interface accessibility for aging population, there are two objectives, which are applying user-centered design principles to enhance ease of use, clear navigation, and minimal cognitive load. Basically, meaning that making the user interface more easier to use for them, and also adapting to age-related changes like decreased vision, hearing, and motor. Okay, now I will be presenting the contents for this presentation. There are four contents, which are principal design, importance of accessibility, challenges in current interface designs, and also technological solutions and innovations. The first point I would like to present is user-centered design for older adults. It is important to emphasize a deep, empathic understanding of the elderly through interviews, observations, and usability tests. Thus, we must focus on accommodating their physical, emotional, and cognitive needs and daily challenges. The second point I would like to point out is the perceivable interfaces. This point is essential for users with visual, auditory, or cognitive impairments. Thus, it is important to implement features like adjustable text size and color contrast settings to aid in clarity and perception. The third point I would like to discuss about is the understandable content. This point is important to simplify navigation and provide clear and straightforward instructions to accommodate varying cognitive abilities among the elderly users. This also helps in making digital environments more intuitive and easier to interact with. The fourth point I would like to point out is operable interfaces. This point ensures all functionalities are easily accessible, catering to reduced motor skills with larger clickable areas and simplified gestures, meaning it helps with people who have struggled to move their physical body. It also focuses on minimizing physical strains to encourage independence and prolong engagement with technology. The last point I would like to talk about is robust design. Robust design guarantees content remains accessible across different technologies and as new technologies emerge. It also ensures compatibility with assistive technologies, promoting longevity and sustainability of interface usability. Okay, now I would like to talk about the importance of accessibility. And as you can see, there are 4 points, and I would like to first present the inclusivity and equity point. So, accessibility in my user interfaces are essential for ensuring inclusivity and equity, especially among elderly individuals in rapidly aging populations, many of whom are living alone currently. And moving on to the second point, which is reducing loneliness. Okay, nowadays technology help social interactions and connectivity, helping to reduce loneliness among the elderly by enabling their participation in social activities and communication through specially designed platforms such as Instagram or Facebook, usually. So, yes, now we are moving to the third point, which is accommodating declining abilities. So, when designing interfaces that are catered to the reduced cognitive and physical abilities of the elderly, such as simplified controls, and everyday appliances prevents their marginalization and ensures equal access to technology. The last point I would like to talk about is supporting independence. So, technologies tailored with features like high contrast colors and large text size help maintain elderly users' dignity by minimizing their reliance on external assistance. Basically, having really deep contrast colors text and making them big helps them navigate to each page easily. Adjustable sizes and simplified navigation in health management tools enhance their ability to manage personal health information independently. So basically, putting big text on health management tools like syringes or medicine, for example, can really help them do things on their own easily. And that's all for importance of accessibility.
For the next content, we go to challenges in current interface designs. So, the first challenge is struggle to provide quality and affordable healthcare. In our research, we see that in India, challenges in healthcare interface design stem from the struggle to provide quality and affordable healthcare, particularly in rural areas. Accessibility remains a significant issue, with limited healthcare facilities exacerbating the problem. Additionally, the complexity of accessing transportation often leads patients to delay treatment or opt for less suitable medical options, further hindering accessibility. The country's linguistic diversity poses another barrier, making it difficult for people to access healthcare services in languages they understand. Next challenge is shortage of healthcare for professionals and facilities in remote areas. The shortage of healthcare professionals and facilities in remote areas compounds the accessibility challenge, leaving many without adequate medical care. Cost also plays a significant role, as expenses associated with medical consultations can deter individuals from seeking healthcare services. Similarly, in the realm of assistive technologies, limited funding and resources hinder access for older adults with dementia, further emphasizing the importance of affordability and accessibility. Lastly, is assistive technology design persists globally. Beyond India, challenges in assistive technology design persist globally. Limited resources, infrastructure, and information impede access to assistive technology, particularly for older adults with dementia. Usability, acceptance, and consent are additionally concerned, as patients may struggle to engage with digital products or maybe be reluctant to use monitoring technologies. The COVID-19 pandemic has exacerbated these challenges, emphasizing the need for remote monitoring and care while highlighting the difficulties of building rapport and providing technical support in a socially distanced world. Next is technology solution and innovation. In our research, we discuss various technological innovations in dementia care, emphasizing the importance of user-centered design. Some of the key advances includes: firstly, remote cognitive assessments, where it utilizes tablet-based puzzles and chat interfaces for early detection and intervention. Next is education and proactive intervention, where it teaches patients and caregivers to use technology with features like UTI prediction for preventive care. Thirdly is psychological and behavioral monitoring. This is an automated reminder and passive sensors to manage psychological disturbance and collect data. Next is machine learning in clinical oversights. This manages false alarms and prioritizing alerts to reduce anxiety and improve efficiency. Next is conversational AI and chatbots. Here, it enhances healthcare accessibility, particularly in linguistically diverse and rural areas. With example, in India, they have Apka Chikitsa. Next is scalability and user experience. Using serverless architecture and hybrid conversational technologies for cost-effective and enhanced user experiences. Next is voice-based telehealth, providing healthcare access to those with limited literacy or mobility through intuitive conversational interface. Next is cultural sensitivity. Here, they design culturally informed voice technology for specific communities such as Hispanic women and addressing racial bias in automated speech recognition. Lastly, it is inclusive design practices, where the training technologies it trains technologies to accommodate dialect like African American vernacular English for equitable access, especially for marginalized older adults in low income areas. After going in depth towards our presentation, in summary, this project presents a comprehensive exploration of the evolving landscape of user interface design tailored for older adults, highlighting the critical importance of accessibility, inclusivity, and technological innovation in addressing the unique needs of this demographic. With the global population of older adults projected to more than double by 2050. The design of technology must adapt to ensure usability and empowerment for this growing user group. Addressing these challenges requires a holistic approach that prioritizes accessibility, affordability, and user-friendliness. By embracing user-centered design principles, leveraging innovative technologies, and promoting cultural sensitivity, designers can create interfaces that empower older adults, enhance social participation, and support their independence and well-being in the digital age. Overall, our findings contribute valuable insights to the ongoing discourse on aging and technology, emphasizing the crucial role of inclusivity in interface design for older adults globally.